In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove table borders in Google Docs. If you've ever wanted your document to look cleaner or more modern by hiding those grid lines, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it without changing the content of your table. We'll use the built-in border controls on the toolbar so everything stays quick and consistent. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. Once it's open, locate the table you want to adjust. Now select the cells whose borders you want to remove. Click and drag across the table to highlight the exact cells you need. You can select the entire table or just a section, whatever fits your layout. When the selection is active, you'll see the cells highlighted, which confirms the area you'll be editing. With those cells selected, go to the toolbar and find the Borders dropdown. It's the border icon with a small arrow next to it. Click that arrow to open more options. Here, you'll choose which borders you want to affect. If you want to keep the outer frame but remove the grid inside, choose inner borders. If you only want to hide the frame and keep the grid, choose outer borders. And if you want everything gone, choose all borders. Pick the option that matches your design goal. Next, set the border width to 0 in the same dropdown. Click border width and choose 0 pt. The moment you apply 0 pt to the selected border type, those lines become invisible. This doesn't delete your table structure, it simply hides the lines, so your content stays aligned. If you need to remove a border from a single cell, place your cursor inside that specific cell. Then repeat the same process. Open the Borders dropdown, choose the border you want to affect for that one cell, and set the border width to 0 pt. This is great for creating custom layouts like a header cell that blends into the page or a callout without lines around it. Take a moment to review your table, zoom in if needed, or toggle print layout to preview how it will look when shared or printed. If you change your mind, you can always reopen the Borders dropdown and set a border width back to a visible value, or simply use undo. That's all it takes. This method lets you fully or partially remove table borders to create a cleaner, more polished layout in Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.